Welcome to Nation Innovation. So today we are going to install ANSYS 17.2 from the ISO file. So first you have to install the extractor. So here we are using Magic ISO extractor. So install it. Next. After my installation is finished, now you have to create two folders in the drive in which you have to install the ANSYS 17.2 folder, namely as 1 and 2. After that you have to open the ANSYS 17.2 folder and you have to right click on the ANSYS 17.2 disk 1 and open with my Magic ISO and extract 2 and select the folder 1. After the extraction is completed, now follow the same procedure for the second disk. And you can download the setup from the description of the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now these are the file of folder 1 which we extract. Now we have to do for the disk 2. Please follow the same procedure. It takes 2 to 3 hours for the installation of the ANSYS 17.2. The extraction of both the folder is completed. Now you have to go to the folder 1 and you have to right click on the setup.exe and you have to select install ANSYS on the pop-up window. Agree. Now you have to next. Now here you have to write down your host name. Host name, go to the properties of your system and write your computer name. After that select next. Now installation begins. My installation take 20 to 30 minutes. After that you have to go to the exit. Click on the Windows button and you have to go to the ANSYS 17.2 folder and you have to search for the workbench. Now ANSYS 17.2 is opening. Now allow access. Now ANSYS 17.2 is ready to use and you can complete your work. And don't forget to subscribe the Nation Innovation YouTube channel. Thank you.